Good morning, my friends. How's everyone doing today? Happy Monday. It is our first day of virtual learning. So excited to be here. And I just wanted to give you a little bit of information about how things are going to go before you get started this morning. I mentioned to your moms and dads in my note on the slide before this all about what our virtual learning is going to look like, but I just wanted to let you know that you're going to see some videos from me, and you can watch those videos, and it's going to kind of help you go through the lessons. And there is going to be work to do on the Your Turn pages of this slideshow, and that work can be done on a piece of loose leaf paper, in a notebook if you have one at home, wherever you feel comfortable doing it is fine with me. Now, there is work that needs to be handed in and sent to me through Remind text message or through email by your parents, but the only activities that I need sent to me are the ones where they're highlighted in yellow and it says to return this to Mr. Latini. Those are the only things that you need to send back to me. All other things should be done at home. Don't mind the chirping of my phone. Sorry about that. All other things should be done at home and just kept in a safe place. And it's just the important work for you to do to make sure that you are staying caught up with all of the curriculum in our first grade classroom. I really miss you guys, and I hope you enjoy doing this work. And if you have any trouble or any questions, have your parents reach out to me. Like I said on the slide before, I have office hours every day. They may not be the same every day, so be sure to take a look at that. During those office hours, I can be reached immediately, and I will respond fairly quickly. If it's outside of those office hours, I will try to respond as soon as possible, but you may not get a response as quickly as you would during those office hours. So, like I said, any questions, send them my way, and ignore any yelling and screaming from my kids in the background that you might hear through all of this. I'm doing my best to find quiet spots to work, but with 3 kids, it's not that easy, so bear with me, and just do your best. And I really miss you guys, and I hope to see you all really, really soon. All right, talk to you later.